Hello everyone and welcome back. If Buffer isn't posting to X, formerly known as Twitter, or your scheduled posts keep failing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer X, or Twitter, posting issues in 2026 using your Windows PC or Mac. Let's go through the solution step by step. First, sign in to your Buffer account and open your X channel. Check whether your X account is still connected. If you've recently changed your X password or updated your account's security settings, the connection may have expired. If the account is disconnected, click the Reconnect option and sign in to your X account again. Approve all requested permissions so Buffer can access your account and publish posts successfully. Next, review the post you're trying to publish. Make sure it follows X's posting rules. If your post exceeds the character limit, contains unsupported media, or includes restricted content, Buffer may fail to publish it. If you're uploading images, GIFs, or videos, verify that the file format and file size are supported. If necessary, upload the media again before scheduling the post. Now, refresh the Buffer dashboard and check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can interrupt the publishing process and cause connection errors. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, restart your browser, and sign back into Buffer. This removes outdated browser data that may interfere with the platform. You should also try using another browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. Browser-specific issues can sometimes prevent Buffer from communicating correctly with X.